Hey Sierra, this is Street Fact News. We're your host Zach Allen
and Cambry Center.
This week we'll be talking about Women's History Month, St. Patrick's Day, weather, and more. Aren't you going to say a joke?
No, I'm kind of sad because yesterday I tried to catch fog. Missed. Don't touch me!
Okay. Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission. Sierra Grade Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now to the areas for the weather.
On the 13th, the temperature will be a high of 64 and a low of 42 degrees. It should be a cloudy day today. Today is a high of 66 and a low of 44. Wednesday is a high of 66 and a low of 45. Thursday is a high of 70 and a low of 49. And Friday is a high of 72 and a low of 55. This week is supposed to rain today and on Wednesday all Friday. It will also rain all weekend. Now on to this root except session.
This Friday is a teacher work day. We do not have school. I repeat, we do not have school!
It is also St. Patrick's Day. Let's see what St. Patrick's Day is all about.
Friday the 17th is St. Patrick's Day.
Today we're going to be interviewing kids and asking them questions about St. Patrick's Day.
Over here with Samara. Vincent. Alyssa.
Okay, Samara. What common reptile is not naturally found in Ireland?
What?
What common reptile is not naturally found in Ireland?
I don't know.
Okay, next question. All right. Fantasia. What is found at the end of a rainbow?
A pot of gold.
Okay.
You said that question.
What cereal has a leprechaun as a mascot?
Lucky Charms.
Okay, but still get pink.
Alright. 2, 1.
Who are we with?
Together.
What common reptile is not naturally found in Ireland?
5. St. Patrick's Day.
Oh. Who are we with?
Tony.
Okay, Tony. What will you find at the end of a rainbow?
Pot of gold.
Okay. Okay, who are we with? Okay, what's a common reptile that is not naturally found in Ireland? Okay, who are we with? What will you find at the end of a rainbow?
I was going to say unicorn.
No, money!
Go, baby!
Who are we with? Kanaya. Okay, Kanaya. What's a leprechaun's occupation? What is it?
This month is Women's History Month. To you, Aaron and Janiyah.
Women's History Month in March encourages us to honor all the females who fought for all races and genders.
Although there are many influential women today, 100 of them
came and paved the way. Women's History Month is not only served as remembering them, but also keeping their legacy alive. Happy Women's History Month.
Happy Women's History Month.
Happy Women's History Month.
Happy Women's History Month.
One.
Happy Women's History Month.
Happy Women's History Month.
This week's clubs are HOSA, FFA, Spanish, Gentlemen's Club, Yearbook, Ladies, Drama, and Cyber Club.
Don't forget to wear green this Friday, and also it's a teacher work day, so we do not have school that day.
We'll see you next week, Sarah Gray. This is Dream Factory News, signing off.